First of all, it will be needful for you to forget lances and sharp darts, hospitals and shorn monks and all obedient men. Make them secure that you do not rob them. Lying in the wheat fields, forget it, with the many sins that a thief commits. The ugly uncouth oaths that you used to make when you were left bare beside the gaming table, and the base cowardly words. Friend, leave them, do not make them, and do not speak them, for a great sin it is, no well to repeat them. I do not yet know toward which of the winds you shall go until you are set in motion, but I will wish you to carry greetings for me to Lord RAIMON, who is so worthy. For if you go there, be assured that you will ride away from there before you leave the dwelling place. And if anyone asks about your wits, friend, do not be bewildered. Say that at Lombers you have dwelt with Lady eyes, who is so pleasing, for her beauty makes the fools and the crazed turn wise, and the most renowned turn over bold in their judgment. Be a jongler and mix wisdom with folly, for a man too wise among the prize ones is hardly worth anything. Praise the worthy, and of the base ones do not keep their friendship, for you would take worse than a deceiver. Say that at Lombers you have dwelt with Lady eyes, who is so pleasing, for her beauty makes the fools and the crazed turn wise, and the most renowned turn over bold in their judgment.